Today, let's enhance the baby feeding logbook app. With a recorded feeding amount, NBO or PU, we can fully utilize those recorded data to tell us how much our baby consuming milk and diaper monthly, so that we can plan for the next purchase, in terms of when and how much. Let's together be a smart dada and smart mama. Let's check out how does the enhancement functioning. First, the monthly diaper usage. The monthly diaper usage is presented with a chart view. With this chart view, it is easier for us to know how many pieces of the diaper is used monthly, by further click on the bar. We can further check on the record for that month. The record is grouping by date and listing the number of diapers used on that day. We may also click on the particular record to further checking the detail. So, this is our monthly diaper usage chart. Next, the monthly milk consumption. Similar to the monthly diaper usage, the monthly milk consumption also designed as a chart view. We may further check the detail by clicking on the histogram bar. Record is grouped by date, and the number of milk is consumed on that day. We may also click on the record to view its detail. Alright, these are the two enhancements. Let's start the workshop today. For this enhancement, I'm having to add 4 virtual columns in the log table. The date, time, created month, and milk tin amount. The date column, with an app formula that returns the timestamp value in date format. Set the type as a date. The time column, with an app formula that returns timestamp as time format. Set the types as time. And tick the ignore seconds option. The created month column, with an app that returns timestamp in month format. Set the type as number. The last column, milk tin amount, with an app formula, which calculating the number of a tin of milk powder consumed. We are recording the amount of milk in ml. So we need this formula to convert it to weight first. First, divide the amount by 30. The 30 is the amount of milk is produced from a scoop of milk powder. This is to calculate how many scoops of powder are consumed. Then times with 4.3. The 4.3 is the weight of powder per scoop. This will be returned the weight of the powder is consumed. This weight of milk powder per scoop might differ from yours, so please check this on the milk powder label. Last, divide the total weight consumed by 900. The value 900 is the weight of a tin of milk powder. The final result will show us how many tins of milk powder is consumed. Set the type as decimal. The data is ready, but before we proceed to the user interface, we still need to create some slices for these two charts. The log diaper slice and the log milk slice. Let's check the log diaper slice first. The log diaper slice is sourced from the log table, with a row filter condition of is not blank of BO or PU. And an update mode is read only. And the log milk slice is quite similar to the log diaper. It also sourced from the log table, with a row filter condition of category equal to milk, and also with an update mode as read only. Alright, all data and slices are ready, let's proceed with the user interface. Starting with the monthly diaper usage. Set the data with log diaper slice. Then set the view type as chart. And set the position as menu. Set the chart type as histogram. And set the group aggregate as count. And set the chart columns as created month. The chart view is ready. Let's proceed with the table view, the view that's shown when we click on the histogram bar. The log diaper table is the view that's shown upon click on the histogram bar. Data is sourced from log diaper, the slice, with a table as the view type. And then set the position at ref. Next, set the sort by with timestamp, and group the data with date. Set the group aggregate as count. This will show the quantity of diaper consumed daily. Lastly, set the column order with date, name, and time. The diaper table view is ready. Let's proceed with its detail view. In the detail view, nothing much needs to set. We just required to set the column order as name, date, and time. Monthly diaper usage is completed. And we just need to repeat the same step for monthly milk consumption. Set the source from log milk, the slice. Set the view type as chart. And set the position as menu. Set the chart type as histogram. Set the group aggregate as the sum of milk tin amount. And set the chart column as created month. As in the log milk table view. Set the data source from the log milk slice. Set the view type as a table and the position as ref. Sort the data by timestamp. And group the data by date. Set the group aggregate as the sum of milk tin amount. This will be showing the daily milk consumed. Lastly, set the column order as date, name, time, and amount. While for the log milk detail view, everything remains as the default setting. But we don't want to display all info in the detail view. So we may set the column order here. Like this. We may further sort the sequence by click and hold the 6 dot. And drag it to the position that we want. Finally, remember to save and verify the data. Completed. Bye-bye.